Hello there, Papa PC here. You just finished building your PC, everything turns on. Looks great. But before you install your games or start working, there are a few things you really want to do first. Otherwise, you're leaving performance and stability on the table. Step 1. Obviously, installing Windows, and right after that, chipset drivers, GPU drivers, and making sure your BIOS is up to date. This is especially important on current platforms like AM5. You want everything stable before pushing performance. Once that's done, the next step is activating Windows and getting your essential software ready. For that part, I've been using Keysfan, who is sponsoring today's video. What I like is that it's pretty straightforward. You choose your version, add it to cart and activate it online. You can also switch the currency, right here, and the language, directly on the site, which is nice depending on where you are. For example, if I grab a Windows 11 Pro key, I add it to the cart, and then I will add the discount code PAPC50, and then I apply the discount. Alright? Or if I want an Office 21 product key, let's go for it. I add it to the cart. And for this one, I can use even a better code. So I type the code and I apply the discount. Yeah, significant discount here. That brings the price down quite a bit, usually somewhere around $15 to $30 depending on the version, which makes sense after you've already invested in your hardware. Then you just complete the checkout with card or PayPal and activate Windows normally. Once Windows is activated, here's what I personally installed right away. A browser, obviously. Monitoring tools like HW Info, but careful about the version because there's been some issues lately with the malware. The GPU software, and a couple of utilities depending on the build. If it's a gaming PC, I'll also make sure everything is ready on the GPU side. And if you're on DDR5, don't forget to check your EXPO profile. That's free performance you don't want to miss. And that's basically my full first setup routine after building a PC. If you want to check out the Windows or Office options I showed, links are in the description with the codes below. So PAPC50 for Windows, PAPC62 for Office. Thanks again to Keysfan for sponsoring the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.